Hi guys, welcome to another video of SAP EWM Basics. So in the last class we have seen what is WPT. For unpacked and packed materials, how system is determining two different WPTs we have seen. So now question is how my system is going to determine WPT. So we have some factors. So WPT determination factors are warehouse number, document type, item type, process type determination indicator. That will be always assigned to a product master, then delivery priority. So these are the 5 factors are going to influence to determine the WPT. So let's say example like in the last session we have seen X and Y materials are in a packed condition. So with the warehouse number RKW, with the document type INB, I am not going to consider any item type, no PTDI, no delivery priority. With these 2 factors, my system is going to determine 1010 WPT. But whereas for A and B material, so my system is going to determine 0010 so that product can go into work center for packing. Now here, RKW is the warehouse, INB is the document type. We defined one PTDI, process type determination indicator as PK. So this PK, this unpacked material A and B. So this PK we are going to assign this unpacked material A and B. So we assign this PK to A and B. So with these 3 factors combination, my system is going to determine 0010. So this is the WPT determination process. For more details, to know detailed configuration and testing, our next class is going to start on January 27, 8:30 AM to 9:30 AM. For more details, contact to given below numbers.